All right. This is my assignment 2 code, Travis Ostrom. It's the same description, input, output as assignment 1. I have my constants defined globally. My main program defined up here is I have the greeting with a paragraph break. I have my get inputs function defined in here to run, my calculate free time function defined in here to run, format time, my response, and my display or output display all declared in here. And then I have my set variables declared within the function, all set to 0 or the equivalent. Immediately after, I have my get inputs function defined, where it starts with your name input, the hours worked as a float as before, sleep hours as a float as before, credits taken as an integer as before, hours per credit float as before. Then I have the return for said functions or for said inputs. Calculate free time function, it's defined. I have my variables, the same equations as before, broken down, and I need to fix that because I made a small boo-boo. And I'm going to leave that in because it shows that I know how to fix it. So I have these lined up as they tend to need to be. I have my daily free hours, and my return on my total free hours, my daily free hours. I set the time format in its own function just so I could still change whatever I needed to change, and this could be separate. So this is the same as before. My get response, this is just how the response I want to receive. So my same as before, my if, else, for daily free time hours greater than or equal to 6, for my daily free time hours greater than 0, and then for everything else, because clearly you are out of time or might even be in negative hours with that. And then I have the print function where it displays my inputs from earlier. And then it prints the name function, free hours to 1 decimal point, because I feel like it's beneficial to know just to 1 decimal point. Then I have hours free, minutes free, and the generated response from up here. Quick break, my goodbye, and running the main function in general. And there's my assignment 2 code.